Hello! As a student beginning your journey in engineering, the software you will use will play a crucial role in shaping your habits and work practices. Today, there are many systems available, all claiming to be the best for managing your data. In reality, most of them provide solid document management and reliable access to your files when needed. In this context, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, developed by Dassault Systems, the creators of SOLIDWORKS, offers an environment specifically designed for managing CAD data. It is built with engineering workflows in mind. For students who are new to data management systems, starting with 3DEXPERIENCE might feel overwhelming. There are many tools, buttons, and features available. However, there is no need to be concerned. In this session, we will focus on the essential tools you will use in your daily work as a student. Once you access the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, your main entry point to applications is the compass, located in the top left corner. From there, you can browse available applications or use the search field to quickly find what you need. We will start with the Bookmark editor application. In most cases, when you launch an app, it will open within the same browser window. In the Bookmark editor, you will find a structured set of bookmarks containing all the necessary materials, such as files, documents, and resources, to help you successfully complete your course. You can think of bookmarks as similar to folders in your Windows system. By opening a bookmark, you can view its contents just like opening a folder. The platform makes it easy to preview different file types without installing additional software. For example, you can open image and documents directly within the same environment. Here we can have a document titled Course Basics, which provides an overview of what is expected and where to find relevant materials. Now, to connect SOLIDWORKS with the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, we search for the SOLIDWORKS Add-In in the application list and launch it. During the first setup, you may see pop-up messages asking you to trust the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Simply select Always to allow the connection. If the application is not yet installed, you will be prompted with an Install Now option. Selecting this will open the installer, where you should choose to install all roles containing SOLIDWORKS Add-In. The 3DEXPERIENCE installer will then guide you through the setup process, allowing you to define settings such as language and installation location. At the end of the installation, you will see a summary of the installer components. Once the installation is complete, launching the same add-in will open SOLIDWORKS. Because SOLIDWORKS was launched through the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, the My Session panel automatically establishes a connection. This allows you to access platform applications, such as the Bookmark editor, directly within SOLIDWORKS. You will now see the same bookmark structure and content inside SOLIDWORKS as you did in the browser. This integration simplifies your workflow, enabling you to review assignments and reference materials in the same environment where you design, without switching between applications. So now you know that 3DEXPERIENCE is not so terrifying place. It is quite easy once you learn the necessary buttons, and installing SOLIDWORKS Add-in is very easy.